In this video, we are going to discuss how to display a table in the browser with the use of HTML code. Okay, suppose if you want to display a table in in the browser, which means with respect of HTML code, we have to use table tag. Okay, so a table in a HTML consists of table cells inside rows and columns. So this is an example for a table. As you know, it contains rows and columns. Okay, let's see how we can write code to display a table in the browser. Okay, so there are three different things that we are going to see to display a table in the browser. The first one is table cells, and second one is table row, and third one is table header. So these are the different content that we have to see to include the tags in the HTML code. The first one is table cell. Okay, so table cell is nothing but the table content that has to be written in a table. Okay, table cell is nothing but the table data. In simple words, we can say table data that we normally that we have to write inside the table. Okay, so how a table data can be written? Okay, what tag is used to write the content in a table? See here we have a tag that is TD, stands for table data, which is used to write the content, which is used to display the content inside the table. So what tag is used to display the content in the table? TD tag, that is table data tag. Once a tag is open, it has to be closed. So table cell is nothing but the table data that is displayed in a table, that is written in a table. So what tag is used to display the data in the table? TD tag. Fine. So let's see an example we have. As I said, if you want to display a table in the browser, it has to be defined with the table tag. Okay. See here, see here we have a table tag. Table tag is open. Okay, finally it has to be closed. Table tag has to be closed with a forward slash. Okay, so whenever we create a row, okay, tr tag is used. We will discuss tr tag in the next slides. Even then, okay, as I'm explaining td tag, I'm just we'll give a short intro for tr tag. Okay, so tr tag is nothing but table row. If you want to create a row, if you want to create an empty row, it has to be, you have to use tr tag. You have to open, you have to start a tr tag. You have, in order to create an empty row or a new row, tr tag has to be defined. So after opening the table tag, tr tag is opened because we are going to write some content in the table, the first row of a table. Okay, so now I'm going to enter the values, enter the data in a table. Now a table is created. After the tr tag, that is tr tag which is used to create a empty row. So a row is created, table is created, a table is created, row is created. Now I'm going to enter the data in the first row. Since I have created only one row, I can able to put the content in the first row. I can able to put the content only in the row that I have created with tr tag. Now I'm including td tags. Now I'm opening td tag. Since I'm going to write the values, write the content in a table, tr tag is open, td tag is open, td tag is closed. Inside that I have written a content ml, then topias, then linus. Okay, so now I have included three different contents. Okay, a table tag is open. Okay, a table tag is open, that is nothing but we have created a table. Tag is open, that okay, which implies that we have created a row. Now three different td tag is open in order to write the content in a table. So td tag ml is okay, inserted in the first table cell, topias, okay, inserted in the next cell, and linus is inserted in the last cell. Now we have finished writing the table data. Now I have to close the first row, the row that I have created. Okay, now tr tag is used to close the row. Okay, okay, which implies that I have written all that I have input or all the content in a row that I have inserted. So this is how the table data will be inserted or returned in the table. Moving on to the next one, table rows. Okay, so whenever we need to, okay, we need to insert a row in a table. Okay, we have to use tr tag. Okay, so tr tag is used to create a row or empty row. If you want to create a row, it has to be defined with tr tag. See here how many tr tags I have opened. Sorry. how many tier tags I have defined? One tier tag after the two tier tags. So I'm going to create two rows, okay, which implies that I'm going to create two rows. Now table tag is open, a table is created, two tier tag is open. So I will be okay. We have to remember that I'm going to create two rows in a table. Now what are all the contents that I am going to insert and that I'm going to write in the table in the row? That is ML Topias Linus again. After including these contents, I'm closing the row tag. I'm opening a new row. So the new row will be created after that. After inserting the content of ML Topias and Linus, the new row will be created. So what are all the contents will be included in the new row? That is 16, 14 and 10. Again, I'm including three different content, closing the row. Okay, after these contents is included in the second row, the second row will be closed with a closed tag. So this is how we insert the values in the rows. And moving on to the third one, that is table header. As I said, table header is used to display the heading in the table row. So that's why we have discussed that how we can insert data in a table, and then how we can create a new table, new row. So the table data can be written with TD tag, TD tag. Okay. So the new data, the new row can be created with TR tag. Now, suppose if you want to display a heading in a table, say for example, when you see this example here, okay, in the first row, we are seeing a table heading. Suppose if you want to display a table heading in a table, it has to be written instead of TD tag, we have to use TH. TH stands for table header. Okay, suppose if you want to display a heading in a table, it's supposed to be written inside a TH tag. Okay, so if you want to create a new row, it has to be defined with TR tag. Suppose if you want to insert a content in the table, it has to be written with TD tag. Okay, so this how, see here, I have created a table and then three TR tags is used here. In this example, three tier tag is used, okay, which implies I'm going to create three different rows. Okay, but the first row, see here, I have written the content with the th tag. So th tag implies that I'm going to write the content as heading in the row. Okay, so th tag, which is used to display the heading in the table row. So after that, I'm just using td tag to include the content in the table. So which that simply that will write the data in the table. Okay, ml topias and linus. After that, the content 16, 14, 10 will be inserted in the, okay, will be written in the next row. So this how we can display the table in the browser. Okay, so this is another example how we can display the HTML table in the browser. So here also I have created a table. I have created a table with the help of table tag. TR tag, three different TR tag is created. So we'll be getting three different rows. First one is TH tag. I have included TH tag. So we'll be having a heading. Okay, a table heading in the table. After that, I have inserted some values with the help of TD tags. So this will be the output for this HTML code. So this how we can display the table in the browser.